Okay. Hello everyone. Welcome to Vishal International Educational Services. Now, before starting the video, I will request you to take the note of a phone number for a WhatsApp and the Telegram purpose only. Okay. If you have any query regarding the Bot National channel or regarding your preparation for the Bot National in the UPSC mains, you can contact on this number. But make sure you are only WhatsApping or Telegram us. Okay. Do not call us. Okay. And we have the email ID here. You can call us on this. You can send the email ID on this as well, and you can join at the same time our bot capsule for YouTube Telegram channel, and you are at the YouTube and you can subscribe to this channel easily. Okay, so consider these are the memberships offers which are available at our channel, that is 159 per month for the first unit of the first paper. Then we have the second level in which the 1199 per month rate is there, and in this particular price you will get the first paper. Okay, and if you want to assess the both papers, that is paper 1 and the paper 2, then 1599 per month membership is available there. Okay, so consider in this particular video lecture we will understand what are the last 3 years economic botany questions which were asked by the UPSC. Okay, that is UPSC means, we have often go through the previous year questions paper, and we try to conclude something that will help us while writing down the answer in the mains examination. So on the similar lines, the fourth unit, that is the plant resource development unit, this is quite a simple unit, right? And it is very easy to understand and it is very easy to prepare. So that is why we will understand that which questions are actually asked by the UPSC in last 3 years on this particular topic, so that we can conclude something, and according to that we should prepare that particular topic. Okay, so let us consider these papers. Okay, first of all we are going to consider the questions which were asked in the 2018 ICS mains. Okay, now see, here the syllabus is given, so you can easily see from where the question is coming. Okay, so the very first question, that is the 5D, they were asking to give the different types of the herbaria. That is, you have to put forward the different types of the herbaria, and for writing this you will get the 10 marks here. And here the last topic is the herbaria, and this herbaria, how to prepare this herbaria, what are the different types of the herbaria, and what are the different herbariums present throughout the India, all these things we have discussed. Okay, so for here in the first question only you have to write down the types of the herbaria. Then observe this question here. The suddenly the generation of the symmetric hybrid they were asking you, and this is the part of the fifth chapter. Okay, so you can say that they cannot they will not ask you the question chapter wise. Okay, that they will mix the third chapter with that of the fourth chapter, or fourth chapter with that of the fifth chapter. So on this line the question will be there. It is not like that they were asking you separately on the each chapter, but the chapters will get mixed. The third chapter questions will get mixed with the fourth chapter, or fourth chapter questions may get mixed with the fifth chapter. So this particular question does not belong to the fourth chapter. Then consider here the next question. It is also a third chapter question, that is the Hutchinson system of classification, its merits and demerits they were asking, and it belongs to the third unit. Okay, so fifth unit, third unit, and the fourth unit all are present within this same question, that within this fifth and the sixth question. Okay, so the questions are they will not come in a sequence, but they will mix with each other. Okay, that one thing is sure. Now in a 6B question they were asking you to give the different types of the stomata in the dicots. This is also the third chapter question. Okay, and then in the 6C they were asking you to give the discuss the essential components of the botanical garden. So this is our fourth chapter question, right? And this botanical garden is rightly given here. See here. So botanical garden, they were asking about the botanical garden, and you have to write down the important botanical gardens in the India. Okay, what are the names of the different botanical gardens which are there in the India? We have discussed 10 of such names in our video lectures, right? So here the very fifth D question and the sixth C question both belongs to the fourth unit, and the very first question was from the herbaria, and the second question was from the botanical gardens. Okay, and the eighth B question directly. Okay, if you escape the seventh question directly, if you come to the eighth B question, here the question they were asking that write the botanical names and their families of the plant yielding the spices, drugs, insecticides, right? So here, as you know, the plants as a sources for the spices, then drugs, and then the insecticide. These are three were covered in this particular 2018 paper. So in and all, there were the three questions. The fifth D question was for the 10 marks, right? Then the sixth C question was for the 10 marks again, and the eighth B question was for the 15 marks. So in and all, there were the 35 marks weightage is given to this particular chapter. Okay, so 35 marks, very easy marks. Just you have to write down the types of the herbaria. Then you have to define the botanical garden and some of the botanical garden names from the India. And simply you have to give the botanical names for the plants which are producing the spices, drugs, and the insecticides. Okay, so the total 35 marks are there, and the peculiar topics were selected. That is the botanical garden, then the herbaria, and the plants as a sources for this particular topic. The three subtopics were got selected in the 2008 ICS mains. Sorry, 2018 ICS mains. Okay. Now consider this one, that is the 2019 ICS mains. Now in this particular paper, they were asking in a fifth B question, that is hydrocarbon yielding crops and advantages of the biodiesels. That is the petro crops simply. So they were asking you the regarding the energy plantation. So this time the energy plantation was got asked in 2019. Just like in the 2018 where the botanical gardens were covered plus the herbaria is covered, the energy plantation question was there exactly for the 10 marks in the 2019. Then consider the second question, that is the sixth A. Define the herbarium and give its method of preparation, and also mention the names of the five major herbaria. Now, from this question, you can say that the herbarium was asked in a 2018, and it is also repeated in a 2019. So the question repetition is there within the UPSC mains examination. You cannot eliminate the possibility of repeating the question. That is the nature of the question may be different, but the question was on the herbarium. Last time in 2018, they were asking you to write down the different types of the herbarium. Now this time they were asking you the method of preparation of the herbarium. Okay, and for five major herbaria you have to give there, and for this you will get the net 20 marks. So the long question is there, right? So here herbarium, this particular question is got repeated right from the 2018 to the 2019. Then in the consider here in the sixth B question, you have to write down the botanical names and the families of the plant yielding the beverages, narcotics, and the gums. See here, plants as a sources for the beverages, then the narcotics, and finally the gums. Okay, so the very similar question, just what they have uh, changed, they have changed the product. Okay, whatever the plants are yielding, last time they were asked you about the spices, right? Then the about the drugs and about the insecticide, and this time they were asked you the beverages, narcotics, and the gums. Okay, so this question, this particular question will surely gonna repeat, but what is going to change? Only the product from the plant. Maybe next time they will ask you about the perfumery, dyes, latex, cellulose, starch, fodder, resins, etc. Okay, so the three names will got change only, but the nature of question will remain same. Now this time they were asking you the beverages, narcotics, and the gums only. Maybe next time they will go for the cellulose, starch, and the perfumery. Okay, this happens. So they were trying to cover whole of the chapter. Okay, they will not it is not like that you are going to prepare the important topics in the chapter, but each and everything you have to clear yourself. And if you prepare every topic in this particular fourth chapter, you will get the complete marks definitely. Okay, so this is the question again. The nature of a question is same, but the product are asked are different this time as compared to the 2018. Okay, and see, this is the sixth C question which belongs to the third unit. Okay, that is the phanerogams. And the seventh A question is the highlight the main features of the Vavilio centers of origin of a crop plant. So here you can see the domestication and the introduction of plant and the origin of the cultivated plants, that is the Vavilio centers of origin. So Vavilio centers of origin, beverages, narcotics, gums, and the energy plantation, this plus the herbaria, all these particular topics got covered in the 2019 question paper. So this particular fifth B question was asked for the 10 marks. Then the sixth A question was for the 20 marks, and the sixth B question was for the 15 marks, and the seventh A question was for the 20 marks. So if you count it, okay, 65 marks are there which are given for this particular topic. So you can say there is not a uniformity, because last time they asked in 2018 they were asking it for 35 marks, and now in 2019 they were asking it for the 65 marks. So marks are also not uniform. Okay, they will change from year to year. So that does not mean that you are going to prepare this particular chapter for 50 marks, or if in a forest service for the 40 marks. This is not the fixed marks. Okay, they will change. They maybe ask you this for the 35 marks, or they maybe give the 65 marks weightage to this particular chapter. So you can imagine the students who have writing the 2019 mains with the botany optional, they have find it much easier to get the full marks, because this particular plant resource development topic is very easy to understand. So here in the 2019 paper, we can conclude that the questions are going to repeat. Okay, the repetition of question is there, as we have seen in the herbarium, and the number of marks going to change from year to year. Okay, now consider the 2020 ICS mains paper. Okay, now here they were asking you about the perfumery, that is plants as a sources of perfumery. So they have asked you spices, beverages, drugs, narcotics, insecticides, gums. Okay, in the last 2 years, that is 2018 and 2019, and in the 2020 they were prefer to go for the perfumery. So for 221, you can guess that they may go for the latex, cellulose, starch, fodder, fibers, etc. Okay, so they were asking you plants as a sources for the perfumery for a 10 marks, right? Then this question belongs to the third unit. Then in the sixth B, you have to write down the botanical names and the ethnomedicinal use. Okay, actually, ethnobotany, this particular topic is given in the fourth chapter, that is the plant resource development. But the Solanaceae family and Apiaceae family importance, we also see them in the third unit as well. So you can say it's quite an overlapping question, which overlaps with the fourth as well as with the third chapter. Okay, you can prepare it in both the chapters, right? So for writing down the ethnomedicinal use of the Solanaceae and the Apiaceae, you will get the 15 marks here. So the question on the ethnobotany was there. Okay. Then in the sixth C question, they were asking you to write the botanical names, plant families yielding the timber, insecticide, and edible oil. Okay. So this time they are going for the timber, then for the insecticides, and for the edible oils. Okay. Always this question. Okay. This particular question, whether it is the 2018, it is 2019, or 2020, in all 3 years, this particular question got repeat. Just what they have changed the product which is coming from the plant, right? So next time they maybe give you the fodder, then the cellulose, and the latex. These are three things going to change only, and the nature of a question will remain the same. Just what you have to write down the botanical names and the families of these plants which are producing the timber, insecticide, and the edible oil. So this is very sure from the last 3 years paper that this type of the question will get repeat in a 2021 as well. Okay, so in the 2020, the very first question was for the 10 marks, then the second question was for the 15 marks, and the third question was for the 15 marks, again making it total to the 40 marks. So in a 2018, we have 35 marks question on economic botany. Then in a 2019, we have 65 marks question, and in a 2020, we have 40 marks question. So the number of marks will change from year to year. Then this is the first observation, that marks are not constant. Okay, then the second one, the questions can get repeat. Okay, just like we have seen in the herbarium case. Then the third one, which is very confirmed one, that the botanical names and the families of the plants which are producing any 5 product. Okay, this we have to prepare. Okay, any 3 product they will ask you, and these 3 products can be from anywhere from the syllabus. Okay, just they were rotating it. Okay, last time if they were asking you about the drugs, narcotics, and insecticide, the next time they will go for the beverage, timber, and the gums, just like that. Okay, you have to guess it, the most probable topic going to ask in the 2021. Okay, so these are 3 observations can be easily made from discussing these last 3 years papers. Okay, so this is all about this topic. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. Please like this video, share this video with your friends who are studying the botany, and if you haven't subscribed to the Botany Option channel yet, please subscribe to the Botany Option channel for UPSC examination. Again, thank you very much for giving your time. See you in the next video lecture. Thank you.